phone, them take away him phone and them delete the video.
Get it?
Delete the video.
So
Police
there's
do
no
that.
body cam and you cannot record.
If you see, if you're recording,
Yes,
make sure. Remember the only reason why they even get the video that we see right now with the guy, because it was uploaded to the cloud, so they can't get access into that cloud.
So there's no body cam and you cannot record. Me no know.
Yeah, and when you record on a cloud. That means like if you get your Google photo cloud, if you get an Alfred app, something that they can access. You know, something that they can access, but the public can see it. That's the best way to go, because trust me, they're going to delete it. You see, the police was walking around in the house searching for where the internet is, where the thing is, and,
you know
and
that.
so forth. You don't see the video on see
I want video they send. Go and give me some.
No, it's on.
boy.
Go on YouTube, type in CVM News and type in the guy name. They're gonna show it.
They go look. You know, say yesterday. You know, say your yesterday somebody came and tell me, no. Savage come tell me yesterday about the gentleman, about this young gentleman here. How you say?
And you see the stuff is when you see these people like sometimes protesting and so forth, people don't believe them. People saying, "We're not gonna sit down and the police then do them job." Like I'm saying, like
people say that.
A lot of people in the comments you be on the internet. I see people in comment section saying, "Let the police do them job."
I don't think you understand this about me. Marsha, you have to give this man a detail about me. It's when me come off of this sitting here, me go about my business, sir.
That is true.
If somebody not send my information, come give me, and me go look panny, and then me go look, me do a deep dive in. But when you see me exit this sitting here, me go about my business, sir.
Because she has a business to run.
Me go about, when the time you see me turn off this sitting here, me go about my business. Me not go look here and there, just the truth.
She doesn't walk up and down like a Martian.
No, me not walk up and down. And most of the video them when me watch man this a cleaning video. Come on, want to see what kind of product them I use so me can go buy.
Okay.
I just true.
And next thing to you see, like you're a more elderly person and you're a female. You get me? So the police mostly after like younger men. They don't really target women like that. It's just honest. But younger guys,
you're saying that is the young men are in trouble.
Of course, the sons are in trouble. Remember, man get killed more all the time. I understand that man get trouble more, but majority of the time, just like how the police is, like the bad one sometimes get ranked over the good one, and things happen. That's the same thing when it comes to man in real life. Like sometimes we cannot remember what if the police question you, and like even when I stop, they question me about the ticket and stuff. They asking me other stuff, and I said, man, I'm just gonna get a ticket. I'm gonna get a search or something. And he say, oh, shut up. Nobody has said to him.
Why you say shut up?
Yeah, I'm just asking important detail, like but that, you know what I do? I just shut up because.
So if you ask the police, give you the ticket, you tell you to shut up.
Yeah, that's what he said. But
what you say?
Yeah, but you see, my girlfriend was in the car and she's Dominican. She don't speak English that well. So one time he noticed, he kind of started to give a little more respect.
So let me ask you: do you believe that the police need to be retrained?
They need to be retrained, but they need that body cam. Because even when the police is trained, that don't mean they can't go against their training if there's not evidence or proof about something.
That is true.
Remember, all right, look, I get in an accident the other day in my car, right? The insurance company didn't believe what I was saying to them. So it was beside a school. The school have camera on it. And by right, the school or any camera pointed in public in New York, any camera that is in public, have a right to send that camera in for any accident or anything that go on outside. So that means like if an accident happens, if someone get killed or something, the police have a right to go for that video and that recording. So the insurance company or who that dealing with, they have a right to get that video, a copy of that video or something. They have a right to get it. So that's supposed to be the thing. The media is supposed to have a right to get a video to get those body cam video from police or something. That's what it's supposed to be. But Jamaica don't have the law. I don't know why. So the more you can prove something, is the better. What you hiding so much that you do not want the police to have body cam? What is so important? Of what is they hiding so much? I don't understand. You know,
thank you. Your existence, it is sad. It is sad. And Stacey, people come now. We are gonna take 2 minutes because the box full up and everybody want to come talk. Cause remember, say me not chat good enough, so people have to come over here and help me. So the box full up.
Oh, yeah, good morning.
Why go and Stacey?
Yeah, what do I have to say? You were saying that we're not supposed to put it in politics. And I'm saying the same thing too, because you have, say for instance, you have a JLP around the country now. Like whosoever support JLP, even when you see it wrong, you still got to deny it. When a PNP in a power, if there's something wrong and because you support PNP, you see it wrong, but you're going to deny it. We need to think about Jamaican. It is so harsh. I have my nephew, my son is just 13, but I have nephew that is Alex's age. And it really hurt. And I see it in a comment, somebody was commenting and said, why Alex run to the back door? He obviously said that was a front door. But we see the truth, but because we mess with the support one party and we don't want to look bad for the government, we gonna deny certain things. Jamaica, we need to stand up for this country and not politics right now. Because it'll get out of hand. And they do wear body cam because I think when they have the Jamaica for Justice, the Jamaica for Justice did have a demonstration in I think a halfway tree. And police was out there, and at that day you
have you seen them in the garrison with body cam, Stacey?
No. I'm not from the garrison, but I never see them in the. We live in a Ochi area. I never see none in there. I have police friend. I never see them there. None.
Alright.
Yeah.
So we never see them with body cam.
No,
and
never
garrison community they all over the island.
All over the island.
And we don't see them in body cam. Thank you, yes, Stacey.
Yes, sir.
Patrick, good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, beg for come up here all long. How was so?
Yeah, I am a witness on the witness protection program.
Yeah, you're a witness. Then me can know that, sir. Me know you come up here no propaganda, you know.
Me not telling no propaganda.
Miss. Come here, you not gonna work out.
You not gonna work out. Them is a big failure.
So you're a witness and a witness protection, and they fail you, sir? Allegedly.
Yes.
How you say?
So since week you know they finally stop, then give me 600,000.
Then I will for money then.
When this part me live in the era, I then take you from your era and can you go in a different era. So you can't go back in your era. You have to
then
pay rent.
Then with this protection and they all over the internet, you know. How that work? So the people them not gonna know you.
Me no business in me right now. Me two police.
No, look you know, it's like when me try bad. Everybody know for me vice, you know.
Me no care, you know, because.
No, but sir, you can't say you don't care. Oh, you mean you don't care?
Anything happen right now, it just happen.
No, but then you mean anything happen you do? So you mean the system failed that much, so you know business?
At 2013, they might try kill me, you know. From 2013.
So let me ask you, you're under witness protection, so they put you in a hiding, so you're safe where you are right now?
No, me never safe when me deaf. None at all.
What do you mean you're not safe? So they're not supposed to put you in a hiding?
No, they're not putting in a hiding. Then
you live in the same place?
Yes.
Sir, I don't believe you live on no witness protection. You can be on no witness protection and live in the same place. That not make sense. Sir, me dunce, but me know that dunce. There is no way you're on a witness protection program and they put you in the same place, sir.
What? Me dey in a one different area.
Then not that if you say, so they move you and then put you in one next place.
No, they don't put me in a different area. It's one area me they make me no one call it in
no
area.
So you mean, alright, but them take you out of the place where you used to live?
And I tell him say me not going nowhere because me not run up and down because
Yeah, they.
right? Me stay same place where me there. And me rent the place for myself.
Yeah, they.
And I'm pay me rent myself.
So, sir, let me ask you. Hold
All
on,
the
hold
time
on.
a month. Listen me now. All
No,
the time
sir. Remember, me slow. Me very slow. Me slow. So me have to understand. Me have to process this enough in my head, you know. So you mean